Hi everybody, it's Nancy from the George Hall Center. Today we'll be exploring High Park. Let's go on an adventure and see what we have in High Park to discover. Hi everybody, look what Miss Nancy's found so early into our walk. I found some acorns. I think we know a song about acorns, don't we? Let's sing the song, I'm a little acorn nut. I'm a little acorn nut, sitting on the cocoa ground. Everybody steps on me, that is why I'm cracked juicy. I'm a nut. I'm a nut, I'm a nut, I'm a nut, I'm a nut. Isn't that an awesome song? Let's continue our walk through High Park and see what else we can discover. Hi everybody, Nancy found a nature trail. Look at what we have around us. So I came down the trail here and I'm discovering all these beautiful flowers. Of course I found these flowers, my beautiful flowers, they're purple, I love them. And I also discovered some berries. But these are berries we're not going to eat, my friends, okay? These stay on the branch there, they could be poisonous. And Miss Nancy doesn't know that, so I wouldn't encourage you to do it. Let's keep walking, and when we're walking, I think I'm gonna sing the song, Mr. Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the trees. All these children are asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. And everybody, let's continue our walk through the nature trail. Well, my friends, we're at the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the visit to Hyde Park. I love visiting the animals and seeing nature. So until we see you next time, look forward to the next video that's coming on our nature walks. Bye from Miss Nancy.